Welcome to CHINGU Voyage 49 Tier 2 Team 19 Colorme web app. Colorme is a color chooser application designed to help developers and designers easily choose and manage color schemes for their projects. The user selects a saturation level, a hue, and a value for their color. Their color is shown in the circle below. The user inputs a description of the use of this color and submits the color and description to the web app. The web app returns a color palette and a description of that color palette. The footer links to the GitHub repository for this app.